Take your feet a little bit wider than the sit bones and start by just doing a couple of little squats. You're not letting those knees drop forwards. You've got a chair behind you, imagine, and you take the seat. Belly button draws in. Visualise all your muscles wrapped around those leg bones, wrapped securely around the knees, around the lower legs, around the ankles. 4 more. 4 is the number today. 3. 2 more. And 1 more. Now, this next bit's up to you. So you may want to stay with that range of movements. Otherwise, I want you to come all the way down and take a seat. Because you've got your heels lifted, it frees up the lower back. So anybody that is a bit stiff around the back of the hips can usually get down here. From there, all the way up. You're only doing that 5 times if your knees allow. You'll come down. Imagine you're picking up a blueberry with the buttocks. Squeeze them. Draw up into pelvic floor. Relax at the top. You've got 4 more. Squeeze. Up. Hold. Up. Hold. This should not hurt joints. You should be able to feel the muscles. Definitely muscles around the knees. Can we do 2 more? Otherwise you're working with whatever range of movement you can work. You might feel the fronts of the thighs a little bit more. And release. And then again, have a march on the spot. Pick up your roller. Like I said, a little bit of a mixture tonight. And I want you to bring the roller in front of you. So I've got my hands in front, sort of holding over the roller. Pelvis now nice and steady. And imagine you're just stretching the roller slightly. Take an in-breath, rotate round to your left. That's my range of movement. So I don't want my pelvis or my knees pulling out. Back to centre, other way. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Shoulders are drawn down. So I want you to be able to be aware that you can feel these ribs moving, therefore thoracic spine is. But what you're not doing is just standing there, moving the arms like that. Your arms stay in front of you. Look into the centre of the roller. Follow it round. Back to centre. Arms stay outstretched. Back to centre.